Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 Street Glide in color Velocity Red. Previous owner installed an engine guard with a place to rest your feet on those long rides, Screaming Eagle exhaust, Screaming Eagle air cleaner, docking hardware, nice black accessories to complement the red. This bike has only 5,835 miles with premium audio, GPS, and more. It sounds great. It looks brand new, it has under 10,000 miles, and it's ready for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.